Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you on a walking tour of my hometown of Folkestone. Lots of things to see here, it's a super creative town. We've got the sea, we've got the sun shining today and plenty of artwork. So let's get started. This series of little brightly coloured houses was part of a collection for the Folkestone Triennial. There are 6 of these houses dotted around Folkestone and a few of them remain. So there's another one just ahead of me over in the harbour that we're going to have a look at. And this one just sits on the edge of the harbour arm. They're by artists called Richard Woods and they're called Holiday Home. We've come down here just the right time of day. The tide's just coming in, so you can see the Anthony Gormley figure just looking out to the ocean. One of my absolute favourite pieces of art here in Folkestone, a piece made by Anthony Gormley. There's 1 in 100 of these pieces dispersed around the world, and we're lucky enough here to have 2 of his pieces of artwork in the permanent collection. Just listen to the waves, it sounds amazing. And I literally just got here in time because now the water's started to come upstairs. I'm on the end of the harbour arm with the lighthouse right at the end with Ian Hamilton Finley's quote, "Weather is a third place in time." And I particularly love this piece because it just really signifies the importance of the weather. Just come off the harbour arm and I'm just wandering along the old platform that used to be the main station coming through Folkestone town. And let's go and see some more artwork. One of my favourite pieces of artwork here by Paloma Vargo Weiss. And it's a sculpture, you can see 5 heads together. This piece is called Rug People and it's representative of refugees carrying their own possessions. So I'm just walking over the viaduct and you can see the harbour behind me and the Grand Burston Hotel. So here I am at the end of Sunny Sands Beach and I'm just about to walk up these steps, which is going to lead me to another piece of artwork. The artists are really interested in the idea of the sound waves being picked up from the ocean and this idea of the foghorn and it collecting the sounds off the sea. This piece of art is by Cornelia Parker. It's called the Folkestone Mermaid. There she is. She's not actually a mermaid, but she is in fact an iron cast of someone who lives in the town. So this is an iron cast sculpture by Sarah Staton that doubles up as a pavilion for people to sit and enjoy the view of the harbour. The light bulb behind me is by Michael Craig Martin and you can see it's surrounded by lots of really colourful buildings and we'll just take a little wander up the old high street and see what's up there. creatives in the town who got together and designed something that they had in mind that they could actually use going forward and socialise with. Such a vibrant piece of work. You can really see the influence of Latin America, which is where the artist has grown up and where she takes inspiration from. So as I'm walking away from the Sol Calero piece of work, we are just approaching the bell. So these three beach huts here are made up of parts of the old golf course that was at the Rotunda amusement arcade in Folkestone years ago. So you can see the artist has used all the old turf from the golf course. It's quite windy, I don't know if you can hear very well here. Behind me you can see some of the pastel hued beach huts, which I think really add to the charm of Folkestone town. A slightly different take on a beach hut by Pablo Bronstein. So the beach huts conclude our tour of Folkestone, and I think the thing I want you guys to take away from my walking tour of my hometown is that it's really important to get out and to really connect with your environment. And even if you're living somewhere that isn't hugely inspirational to you, that having a walk around and reconnecting and taking photographs of things that maybe you've seen every day for years can really be a great starting point for a project. And so for me today, I know that I've taken loads of photos on my camera reel, and that's going to put me in really good stead going forward with any project or any paintings or anything that I want to do, because I know that I've got this bank of primary source photographs that I can refer to constantly. And so what you'll see going forward is that I'm going to be using some of these photos that I've taken on my tour today to do demonstrations and to help me with my artwork over the coming weeks. Okay, that's all from me today. Good luck with your projects, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!